Is your iPhone speaker sound too low? This can be really annoying, especially when you're trying to listen to music, watch videos, or get notifications. It often happens due to settings issues, software glitches, or hardware problems. But don't worry, this guide will show you simple solutions to fix the low speaker volume on your iPhone. Let's dive in. Before you do anything, turn off low power mode, turn off Do Not Disturb, now off Bluetooth. Solution 1. Check important audio setting. Open setting, scroll down, tap sounds and haptics. Enable change with buttons. Make sure to turn up the volume to the maximum level. Solution 2. Adjust audio. Open setting, scroll down, tap accessibility. Scroll down, tap audio and visual. Turn on mono audio. Scroll down. Make sure to set this audio point in the middle. Solution 3. If none of these solve your issues, then try giving your iPhone a reset all settings. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap on general. Scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and select reset all settings. Confirm your choice. Note, this will not erase your data but will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper. Once your iPhone restarts, check if the sound works on YouTube. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the low speaker sound issue on your iPhone and enjoy clearer audio. If this guide was helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips and solutions. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll cover even more ways to improve your tech experience.